Import and open image. Launch Adobe Photoshop and open the image you want to retouch. Duplicate layer. Right-click on the background layer in the Layers panel and choose Duplicate Layer. This step ensures you work on a non-destructive copy. Basic adjustments. Use the brightness, contrast, levels, and curves adjustment layers to enhance overall lighting and contrast.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars.
Spot healing and clone stamp. Select the spot healing brush tool to remove small blemishes, spots, and minor imperfections automatically. Use the clone stamp tool to manually copy pixels from one area to another, covering larger imperfections or distractions.
Times don't fly too high.
Create a duplicate of your retouched layer. Apply a Gaussian blur filter to the duplicate layer. Set the original layer to linear light blending mode and adjust opacity to control texture. Use the blurred layer to adjust colors and tones without affecting textures. Skin retouching. Create a new layer and use the brush tool with a soft brush to paint over areas you want to retouch. Blemishes, wrinkles, etc. Adjust the opacity of the layer to maintain a natural look. Use the dodge and burn tools to subtly lighten or darken areas for dimension. Color correction and enhancement. Create adjustment layers, for example, curves, color balance, hue saturation, to fine-tune colors and tones. Use layer masks to apply adjustments selectively to specific areas. Eyes and teeth. Enhancement. Zoom in and use the brush tool to brighten and enhance the whites of the eyes. Create a new layer for teeth whitening and use a soft brush to paint over the teeth with a slightly brighter color. Final touches. Review your image for any remaining imperfections and address them as needed. Use the Sharpen filter, Filter Sharpen, to enhance image details. Save and export. Once you're satisfied with the retouching, save your work in a compatible format, for example, JPEG, PNG. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.
Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.